Primary normal fares. Primary normal fares are also called as unstated normal fares. Now I'll show you in the fare sheet. Now here we have the fares from Karachi to Dubai, and these fares are primary normal fares. Now the question arises that how we have identified that these fares are primary fares. If we have only the class code, or along with the class code one code is used, that means these fares are primary fares. For the fare basis code which are used for these fares are F or F1 or P or P1 for first class fares, C or C1 or J1 for the business class fares, Y or Y1 or S or S1 for economy class fares. These fare basis code may be accompanied by seasonal variation code such as H for high season, L for low season. Primary normal fares permit unlimited stopovers and transfers.